Did I scare you? I probably did. But what definitely would scare you are weird food combinations. Let me explain what this challenge is all about. People trying odd food combinations and rating them based on their taste buds. For example, pineapple on pizza and ice cream with french fries. A friend of mine challenged me. Alright, I'll be honest, nobody asked me to do this. But despite the fact that I suggested this to myself, I was not gonna accept it this easily. I did a lot of research. It was difficult to watch people suffer. So, not really a fun task. By this time, I had understood how this challenge is conducted. But what I didn't understand was why. Why were these YouTubers doing this to themselves? Oh, I get it. ये चैलेंज किस तरह किया जाता है ये तो हमने जान ही लिया है, लेकिन मेरे अंदर का एसीपी प्रद्युमन कह रहा था
क्या कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, जरूर कोई ना कोई गड़बड़.
Weird food combinations. Let's break this down. Weird. Something that is socially unacceptable. For example, a society doesn't accept weird people, weird things, basically anything that does not follow the societal norm. Food combinations that are not acceptable by the society. But what about the people who actually enjoy these kind of foods? Are they also not acceptable by the society? Food combinations that are not acceptable by the society. I knew it. It was not just a dumb challenge that YouTubers were blindly accepting because it's a trend. No! It was bigger than views. Weird people were brought down by the society because they didn't fit in the criteria created by normals. धीरे धीरे इन लोगों की एक कम्युनिटी बनने लगी और इन लोगों को पता था that there are more people like them. और कुछ लोग बस pretend कर रहे थे नॉर्मल होने का. All they had to do was find them. And based on zero facts, I can confirmly state that they're gonna abduct all the weirdos from their homes to grow their weird community far from the normals. What? You don't trust me? I don't know what they'll do after kidnapping, but believe it or not, I believe that there is a community that kidnaps people who like weird shit. There's only one way to check, and that is to accept the challenge. सबसे पहला कॉम्बिनेशन होगा आइसक्रीम विद डेट्स, बिकॉज मेरी आइसक्रीम पिघल गई है. This is way too sweet because dates are already sweet and this ice cream is also sweet. लेकिन अगर किसी को इतना मीठा पसंद होगा तो शायद they can give it a try. I might eat it. There are people who actually enjoy olive oil with ice cream. Yeah, I'm gonna see what is there to enjoy. Ew. It does not taste bad, but like initially when you take it, that oil hits in your mouth. It's okay. पर ऐसा torture क्यों करना अपने को? नहीं, done. ये क्या? I am not gonna eat it. Third one is biscuit with ketchup. With ketchup. It's actually good. I am not a big fan of ketchup. I don't know why. I like it. The next thing is bread with water. I am not really sure how and from where people get these ideas from. लेकिन आप क्रिएटिव हैं, बढ़िया है. शायद इसी तरह खाना इन्वेंट होता है. Ew. Why? I don't think so. Okay, so this does not taste bad, but it tastes like nothing. It tastes like not even a bread. आपके टेस्ट बड्स बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब होनी चाहिए इस चीज़ को पसंद करने के लिए, because I would never dip a bread in my water and call it a meal. Popcorns with ice cream. I have a lot of things with ice cream. People eat a lot of things with ice cream. I don't know why. I mean, there are different flavors of ice cream. I'm sure popcorn flavors भी कोई ना कोई इन्वेंट कर देगा. ऐसा ये सब करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? तो popcorn with ice cream. It's like if I'm eating a popcorn with milkshake. It's not ice cream anymore. But I would give it a try. Like, yeah, popcorn with ice cream. Why not? Like while watching a movie, I can have popcorn with ice cream or a milkshake. It's basically a milkshake now, yeah. मेरे दांत में कुछ लगा तो नहीं? Braces. So the next thing is, मैं थक गई हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा. अब हम ट्राई करने वाले हैं वाटरमेलन. लेकिन पता नहीं कैसे कैसे लोग हैं इस दुनिया में, उन लोगों ने वाटरमेलन को भी अकेला नहीं छोड़ा. इसको क्या, इसमें सिर्फ कुछ, इसमें इनोवेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मेरे पास सब अपने घर की जो बनती है मिंट चटनीज़ वो हैं. तो ये वी हैव वाटरमेलन विद मिंट चटनी. है, इसकी स्मेल बहुत गंदी है.
जो लोग ये वीडियो देख रहा है ना, प्लीज मत देख. अगर देख रहे हो ना तो प्लीज इसको लाइक और.
ये अभी तक का सबसे मुश्किल था.
ये लड़का बहुत ही मेहनत कर रहा है.
मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि अंदर जा रहा है. मुझे नहीं पता लोग ऐसा क्यों खाते हैं. वाटरमेलन अकेला ही बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा टेस्ट करता है. सो प्लीज़ डू नॉट ट्राई दिस एट होम. मुझे पता भी नहीं है कि ये कॉम्बिनेशन एक्चुअली सेफ भी है. हाँ ठीक है, सेफ तो. या तो शायद मिंट चटनी इस तरह की प्रिपेयर्ड हो जो इंडियन स्पाइसेस से कवर ना हो, बिकॉज ये वाली तो बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा घर वाली चटनी है. और चटनी तो मुझे पता नहीं, मेरे पास रखी, मैंने वो यूज़ किया एंड आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट. ऑलराइट, सो द लास्ट वन इज पॉपकॉर्न्स विद केचप. मैं एक पॉपकॉर्न ट्राई करती हूँ. पूरे किसने बोला ट्राई करना? It's about the taste. So popcorn with ketchup. This is way too salty. I am not gonna try this. Oh, so I am completely normal. तो आज की वीडियो से हमने क्या सीखा? That not every question has an answer and there is no meaning in meaningless. वैसे ये इतना बुरा भी नहीं है.